Hi friends, welcome to our channel Learn English with Sohini. Today we will see in continuation with the previous video, that is sentence. About sentence, we know that a group of words form a sentence, and here the sentence also consists of a subject and a predicate. And here comes an interesting point, which is subject and which is predicate. So let's see. Sita is a pretty girl. The first part of the sentence is Sita. Sita, which we are talking names about the person about which something is said, right? The second part is a pretty girl tells something about Sita. The naming part of the sentence is called subject and its saying part is called the predicate. Always you should remember that subject is a noun or a noun equivalent, okay, and is found an answer to the question what or who, which is asked before the main verb here. And this subject has no fixed position, may come in the end of the sentence or middle of the sentence or starting of the sentence. That is, it has no fixed position. Okay, first, if it is noun, a ship went into the sea, noun clause. What you told is entirely false. That is, here we are using noun clause. Next, if we consider pronoun, in pronoun where we use subject, for example, let us go out for a walk. Whereas the predicate of the sentence consists of all that is not part of the subject. Okay, please do remember this and we'll continue further. So let's see. The rich are not always happy. The rich are not always happy. And one more example, if you consider, fine feathers make fine birds. You can use these sentences in your day-to-day conversations also, because this seems to be like a proverb or idiom or saying. So we can use in day-to-day conversations also, right? So here we'll see some further more examples of subject and predicate. We'll see an exercise here for subject and predicate. He, mice, butchers, cruel man, the clock, the author, the poor woman, most schoolboys, are hated, are hated, has fainted, has struck, ate, get angry, fear cats, play football and cricket, sell meat and sausages, so let's see. First, if you match, he has fainted. He is the subject here, which is pronoun, we know that. And mice fear cats. Butchers sell meat and sausages. Cruel men get angry. The clock has struck 8. The poor woman see if you uh, look at this. Most school boys play football and cricket. I have intentionally written extra sentences so that you may get a clear idea about subject and predicate. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.